welcome back to Chinaza TV. In today's video we'll be harvesting blueberry from my blueberry plants. But before we go into that, if you're new to my channel Chinaza TV, you're highly welcome. If this is your first time watching my video, thank you, and you're highly welcome to my channel. This channel I do more now of unboxing vlogs, Germany vlogs, and sometimes I put in Germany immigration information videos. Okay, today we're going to be harvesting blueberry from my blueberry plant. This blueberry tastes so yummy and it's fresh. There was no need to apply any insecticide or to avoid any kind of birds from eating this blueberry. The birds didn't even come to eat some of these fruits, but I got a big harvest. This is just a batch of what I got. I got like 3 times this size, and I just decided not to make the video too long with all the harvest. Okay, so after some time we decided to leave some of the remaining blueberry for the birds to eat. But we got on every time we decided to harvest, we got enough for everyone to enjoy and make some smoothies at home. Okay, the thing with the blueberry is that they came in big sizes. The more they got ready to be harvested, the more they were blue in size, got bigger and tasted even better. Okay, so let's go on to harvest and stick to the end of the video. Do not forget to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you've not done so, and be ready for my next coming video where I'll be sharing some unboxing videos with you. Until my next video, I love you. Stay healthy and stay good. Bye. Que no.